In this video, you'll learn how to archive a page in Webflow. This process helps in managing your workspace by removing sites that are no longer in use while retaining their data for future reference. Begin by navigating to your Webflow dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Webflow website. Once the homepage loads, locate the dashboard link at the top and click on it. This action will take you to the list of your sites. Next, identify the site you wish to archive. You will see a list of all your projects displayed on the screen. Browse through the list and select the site that you want to remove from active view. Ensure you have chosen the correct site before moving forward. After selecting the site, look for the three vertical dots icon, often referred to as the More option. Click on this icon to reveal additional options related to the selected site. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to perform various actions. Continue by selecting Archive from the drop-down menu. This option is typically located toward the middle of the list. Once you click on Archive, a confirmation message will appear informing you that archiving the site will immediately remove it from your dashboard. You will then see a message detailing the implications of archiving the site. This includes notifications that the site will be unpublished and that everyone in your workspace will lose access to it. Review these messages carefully to understand the consequences. Next, there will be a prompt indicating that the webflow.io domain associated with the site will remain reserved. This is an important detail to note as it confirms that the domain will not be available for others to use. You will also be informed that any Webflow Cloud and App Gen projects linked to the site will be permanently deleted. Take a moment to ensure that you are okay with this action, as it cannot be undone. To proceed with the archiving, you must confirm your decision by typing the name of the site in the provided text box. This step is crucial as it serves as a final confirmation of your intent to archive the site. Once you have entered the site name, click on the Archive Site button to complete the process. A loading indicator may appear as the action is processed, and shortly after you should receive a confirmation that the site has been archived successfully. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.